Just kidding. But it is alcohol. Lots of water. It's what you do when you're in Colorado.
Wow.
Let's say hi to some people. I know Greg Boyce is out in the audience. I don't know if I can. Hi, Brett. Hi, honey. Let's see. Who is these? David. Hi, David John. And Rob, what up? I know, hi, Eric B. You've been on here before because I recognize your picture. Mitch. Hi, Bob. Greg Boyce out coming straight out of Denver. So, yes, so today we're going to do a video because I'm staying at Cadelpoggio, and it's CADELPOGGIO.IT. Go check them out if you are traveling in Italy. It's a wonderful region in between Milan. Hold on. There's the picture. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I know. Sorry, we're outside. So it's this region between Milan and Venice. It is Veneto. Is the Veneto. See, I got everything wrong. What are you gonna do? That's why they bring me here, so they can see how Americans talk about things, right? So it's this wonderful region. Definitely wine producing. It's pretty quiet here right now because there is the Vinitaly is going on over in Verona, which of course is where Romeo and Juliet was staged, right?
Shakespeare.
Yeah, exactly. I was paying attention. So as you can see, it really is. It's just these flat lands in between, and then this amazing. So we're up on this hill, and these amazing rolling hills, which is what we are up on right now. Yesterday we did a live meerkat from the distillery.
The distillery, yeah.
What are they called?
Da Ponte Distillery, Grappa.
Grappa di Prosecco, which is kind of fun. Eric B is on everyone's video. Hey, don't bust on Eric B, yo. If he's here, right? It's all good. So we are going to do no, we're not going to do a Google Hangout because we want to record it. We're going to do a video with the two owners, have them talk about the place, what their inspiration is. The cool thing about this place, they built it about 2 years ago. They updated it. So you can see it's kind of a classic architecture. Hey, all that. And then it's also definitely environmentally friendly. I can tell that it's got a green build element to it. You know, we love that stuff in the States, so they've got that going on here. Beautiful rooms, quiet. I had breakfast in their wonderful little breakfast place today. You know, breakfast is different over here, and I love it. I had formaggio, what's the ham?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto. You know what I love? Pancetta.
Pancetta.
I mean, seriously, salty bacon.
Mm.
How can you go wrong with that? So yeah, I had the nice little breakfast. Ooh, and the nice croissant. And I'm still working out. Just, you know, that's what I was doing. I worked out. I worked out this morning, Pio.
Oh, yeah.
So I can eat more.
That's great.
I know. So I don't grasso my way through in my grasso pants.
In your grasso pants.
See. Who else is in here?
But, you know, Mia, say about this region, we have everything. Oh, I should?
Yeah, it's you, Pio. It's your accent. You
Okay.
say it, 'cause Pio says it much
It's
cooler.
we are on the hills of Veneto, which is one of the leading regions in Italy as far as tourism is concerned, because we span from the Adriatic beaches like Jesolo, Bibione, Caorle, Chioggia, Venezia, Porto Santa Margherita. These are some of the names. So from the beaches, you can go up through these rolling hills and get up to the highest mountains of Italy. They are called Dolomites. And we have mountains as high as 9,000 feet.
Isn't that crazy? It's like the Aspen of Italy.
You want to go there? It takes only 2 hours to go if you want. From here, it takes 1 hour to go to the beach. From here, it takes 1 hour to go from here to Venice. So we're right in the heart, in the cuore of Veneto right here. This is the heart of it. And we have thermal bath, we have art, we have tourism, everything that you might need for your enjoyment while you're on vacation.
You had me at bath, so tell me what thermal bath is.
Thermal bath.
TRME, see?
Yes. Thermal baths are, this is water that comes from underneath and is natural.
I believe that's their fancy way of saying thermal.
Thermal, yes, thermal. Spa.
But you know, qui here it's therma.
Terme.
Terme.
The Terme. One of the closest place here is Abano, Abano Terme, near Padova.
And
Padua.
see, my problem is I say Abano.
No,
It's
Abano,
Abano.
Abano,
Sì.
Abano. And they specialize in mud baths for arthritis and stuff like that. But
Oh,
anywhere in Italy there are thermal baths.
Terme.
We have it here. We have a lot of artistic places like Venice, of course, that has the top. I think it goes 20 million people visit Venice every year. Verona, of course.
Sì.
Treviso, and Belluno, which is the gateway to the Dolomites. And of course, anything you might need for if you are a tourist, you want to go to the mountains and take a hike,
Sì.
no problem. In the winter, you want to go skiing, 100 kilometers. Each place has about 100 kilometers, about 90 miles worth of ski slopes.
And that's why Pio's my ambassador, because he knows everything about where to go here, which I love. We're gonna actually head inside if you guys want to hang out.